This video is going to show you how to make barbecued cocktail Smokies. First, I have 2 packs of cocktail Smokies on parchment paper. We're going to put it in the oven on 375 for about 25 minutes or until they start getting nice and brown and crispy. After that, you'll need your favorite barbecue sauce, whatever kind that is, and we'll put that on after we take them out. Once your cocktail Smokies have cooked for about 20 minutes, you take them out of the oven. See, they're a little crispy on the bottom. Little grill marks, that's how you want them. Have little grill marks on them. Then what we're going to do is dump our barbecue sauce on them and put them back in the oven for about 20 minutes so that barbecue sauce is cooked on them. And just dump it right on. All over them. Whatever favorite barbecue sauce that you like. Okay. Once you get all of them with barbecue sauce on, we'll put them back in the oven. Turn your oven down to 350 instead of 375. Turn it down to 350 for 20 minutes. After your Smokies have cooked for an additional 20 minutes with the barbecue sauce on them, then they are ready for you to serve. You can either use them as hors d'oeuvres, put toothpicks in them, put them on a plate as little appetizers, just like that. Just put toothpicks in them, use them as appetizers, or you can just put them on a sandwich if you like. Either way is good. I hope you like my recipe for easy cocktail Smoky barbecued style. Like and subscribe to my channel. Again, subscribing is free. Just click the subscribe button and you'll get notifications when I post a new video. And I hope you enjoy this recipe. Till next time.